What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Amber Ashli, and by the title of this video we're going to be talking about money. If you are new here, welcome back. I talk about fashion, music, and money. Mostly fashion, but I have a money playlist where I started talking about investing and just ways to save money with different apps. So we're just going to jump right in. If you are new, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Make sure you stick around and let me know what you think about this app. Check the description box below for getting 2 free stocks, and that way you can sign up and it is an affiliate link, so I'll get, I guess, 2 free stocks as well, but you can pass it forward when you get your link as well, and everybody can get their free stocks. So we're just gonna jump right in. Okay, so I got my phone. I'm gonna go to screen record on my phone. 2, 1. Alright, I'm screen recording. Then I'm gonna go to my investment apps, click on WeBull, and then, okay, so this is the first thing you see. Looks like they're doing some type of game or giveaway. So at the top, this is not normally here, that's where you can see the little X in the top right corner, but they're doing 4,000 shares of FB are waiting to be claimed. Now I'm not really sure what that is, but this would normally be here. So I'm just going to scroll down and, I'm going to scroll down and show you my watch list. So these are all of the stocks individually that I'm watching. Now on the left side, you can see symbol. If you click that, I can make it in alphabetical order. Click it again, I can make it go backwards in alphabetical order. Yeah. So I'm going to put it in alphabetical order. And then on the right side, you can go by price, which will switch it again. So highest to lowest as of now, and then lowest to highest. So I'm going to do alphabetical order. That's easy enough. And as you can see, I have Apple, I have Amazon, I got Boeing, Bank of America, Burger King, Canon, and so forth. Now, what we're going to focus on is Bitcoin. Bitcoin, BTC, USD. That's the Bitcoin one. So if I click that, just for showing you guys, it is always going up and down. This is not, Bitcoin is not something you have to be dependent on the market time. So basically Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 5. You don't have to worry about that. And you can actually invest at any point. The difference of WeBull is it does not charge you a fee. But the only caveat is when you do send money into the app, which I'll show you how to do, you gotta wait 5 to 7 business days, maybe sooner depending on your bank. So that was the whole issue with me. I had deposited the $2,000, but then it wasn't in my cash balance, so I had to wait. So we're gonna come back to the main screen. So you see this is the first tab at the bottom. You got watch list, markets, you got the kind of globe in the middle, community, and menu. So like I said, the first page is my watch list. You're able to add as many stocks as you want. You can watch them individually on this first page. Then you click markets. So markets has obviously the United States, it has the cryptos, and then it has global. So this kind of shows you obviously all around the world. You can see, if you scroll over, you can see other parts of the world, Africa, Europe, and so forth. I really don't even touch this part, but you're more than welcome to. Cryptos, obviously Bitcoin is a digital currency where you trade digital coins through the internet. I apologize if I didn't explain that in the beginning. But there's other forms of cryptocurrency like Ethereum. I forgot the name of this one, LTC. But I'm going to focus on the Bitcoin one, which is the first one. So that's the next tab under this particular tab from the bottom. So we're going to go back to the United States. Alright, so the United States, again, you can look at these different main main stock market funds, and you see Dow Jones, you see S&P 500, NASDAQ, and then you can see basically pre-market. You can click on that, after hours, 5 minutes ago, 1 day ago, 5 days, 1 month, 3 months, 52 weeks, so forth. So you can also see top losers. It shows you that. So this app is extremely informative. It can be very overwhelming at first, but just take your time and look at what is important to you in the beginning. And then when you have time, you can go through each of these and kind of get a gist of what, is in each one. So I'm just showing you what you can be looking at. You know, if you get into wanting to, you know, day trade, start taking this more seriously, this is where you can, you know, look for everything. Also, you can see best performing industries by the day. We got food and tobacco, 7.45%. You know, we got computers, phones, and housing, 1.2%. So in these categories under the stock market, you can kind of see what industries are doing well, and also, I guess they show you what industries are doing not well as well. Advances, declines, distributions. So declines, advancers, net inflow. So again, I don't really look at this too much, but I do glance at it. I do glance at it occasionally, and it just helps you get an idea of what is kind of booming, what's going low, and so forth. So that's markets. And again, same thing, go over cryptocurrencies. It'll show you all the cryptocurrencies. Obviously, Bitcoin being the most popular, that's why it's number one. I mean, to the left. And you can scroll down and you can see. So you're more than welcome to invest in other cryptocurrencies as you see fit. So still under this market tab, we're going to click on Explorer. And this is where you can search the stocks that you might be interested in and read more about them. So for example, if I put in Apple, I was doing Instacart, sorry about that. Okay, so this will show you exactly, like, as of today. It's Saturday, so the market's not open, so it's after hours. It's 139.07, and it looks like it was at 140.36 plus 1.29 plus 0.93%. So the open and previously closed, that means it opened at 136.28. Previously it was 136.87, so it dropped a little bit. The days range, it gives you that amount, and then the volume of people that are investing in this stock. Then you see the chart. Okay, let's go back. So you see the little, basically, announcement banner that talks about, I apologize, I'm getting this Instagram. You see the little announcement banner that talks about things that are just kind of happening in this particular stock in the world right now. And you'll see some information about it. You can read through. It'll just tell you other stocks that are talking about it as well. So that's just a little, like, plug they put on this particular stock. Then the chart. So at the top you see 1D, 5D, 1M, 3M, 1Y, 5Y max. What this is showing you is time frame. So 1 day, 5 day, 1 month, 3 month, 1 year, 5 year maximum time. So if I click on in 1 day, this is, if you scroll at the left side, you'll see 4 a.m. because my time is in military time. So at 4 a.m., 8 a.m., 11, 1, and then it shows you kind of the night symbol, the crescent. So if you go to a month, let's see. So let's see. It looks like in December 28th, it was the next tab, and then you can see all the information about, you know, the different industries and their particular stocks when you scroll down. And you can click on, like, for example, cloud computing. It'll show you, like, the high, you know, individual stocks that you can purchase right now, and you can see. And also the way you can add these to your list, you can click on it. You see the star in the right top corner, you just click that, and that adds it to your watch list. So then if you go back and you click on watch list, I think that was, hold on, which one was that? I didn't get the name of it. It was QLYS. So you go back to your watch list, and then you scroll down and you go to QLYS, right? And it'll be right there. So the 126.28. So if you're interested in stuff like that, definitely add it to your watch list. You can be watching it on your own, and you can always check this at any time of the day. So let's go back. So markets, so we've seen all that. Then you scroll down, IPO. Basically, when a company is new and before people in the public are able to buy it, the IPOs, granted you have the money to buy these type of stocks, you can purchase early. You have an advantage. So if you're into that, that's totally cool, but you got to have the money for that. So, and then you scroll down, you see the calendar, 52-week high and low, high dividend stocks. So some stocks earn dividends, which just means you get a payout on the stock when it makes a profit. You can also reinvest your dividends, which is what I do, but you're more than welcome to receive your payout in your brokerage account. So I don't do that, but these are some stocks that they list that, you know, you can have a high dividend payout. So check them out. And then earning surprises. Not really sure with that, but it looks like, you know, there's like incentives with the particular industries that you can make money from. So let's go back to markets. So that's under markets. Click the middle. This is going to be my account particularly. So this is where we get into it. The account that I have is called 5KZ74145. It's an individual account. I don't have an IRA. This is me investing on my own. And as you can see, it's $2,678.93. Overall profit and loss, which is P&L, is the $406.55, which is a 17.89% increase profit. So this is how my graph looks. And remember, I said 5 day. If I click the month, 3 month, 6 months, year to date, 1 year, and all time. So I started last year, February 14th, give or take. Today is the 23rd. So as you can see, my market value, what I have in the market right now, is $678.93. My cash balance is $2,000. Remember I said I had to wait until it cleared to actually put the money into the stock. Now the only difference is if you do not do Bitcoin, and say for instance you said I want to send $100 into WeBull, it will give you that option to start bidding on it with a credit of $100. Basically it's allow you to have $100 to buy any stock, and it'll clear from your account when it does in like 2 to 3 days. The difference is you can't do that with cryptocurrency. You have to wait until it becomes a cash balance, and that way you can start trading with the crypto. So that's the only difference. So $2,000 cash balance, $2,000 buying power, settle cash $2,000. And then you say quick trade, performance, transfer more, zero commission. That's just an ad. And then these are my positions. So these are currently what I owed. I had a balance of like $1 something before I put the 2,000 in here. So I just played around and bought the Bitcoin. And then you can see I have 22nd Century, Simon Property Group, Boeing, General Electric, Fuel Cell Energy, and Uber. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to go back to, okay, before we do that, let me go through all the tabs. So the community tab is you can talk to other people on this app. So for instance, if I want to write a post, I just click the little pencil pad and I can write something. If I want to chat with other people and they respond to me, it'll be here. I did in the beginning, but I don't really do too much. But you can just get like information about, you know, WeBull news, top list. Some people, you know, talk to others on here like AMG, blah, blah. So that's just community. Same thing with the competitions tag. They do like prizes, which was in that first tab at the top where you can enter and be a part of the community like that. Top news, other information about stocks and companies, and then watch lists, basically on the things that I have that I can get more information of right away, article wise. So that's that. Menu, again, this is my brokerage account. I named it Moneymaker. Messages, you know, just comes from the app itself. Help center, you can always find information here. Basically I found out that there was a time lag with using the cryptocurrency to buy cryptocurrency. So that was the only issue that I had. So frequently asked questions, and again, you know, you just click on, for instance, cryptocurrency. What are the trading hours for crypto? So you click that, it'll give you 7 days a week, like we said. So that's that, and then you can always contact them at the bottom. You could contact us. They get back to you. They got back to me within like a day or so, so they're really good with that. And then the settings tab, you know, settings. So again, when I joined, I think I was watching Stephan, and I joined under his affiliate link. So I had got these 2 free stocks, and then I was able to get those two free stocks. Again, check the description box below to check my link. You get 2 free stocks when you sign up, and I think I get 2 free. So this is basically the invitation. Yeah, I refer a friend, I get 2 free stocks, and they always have these ongoing. So certainly check that out, and you can, you know, do your own referral once you sign up as well. Then they give you this free stock guide if you have more questions about it, as far as the referrals. So let's go back to the middle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my watch list, which is easier for me, and I'm going to buy the stock right now. So I'm going to go to Bitcoin, and not Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, and I'm going to click trade. Alright, so As you can see, my order type is going to be the market. If you click here, you can do limit, which basically gives you a cap on how much you're going to put in, granted if the stock is going to go to that amount or not. I'm going to do market. My side is obviously a buy, and then the amount, I'm going to do 2,000, right? I'm going to hit OK. And then time and force, if you, you know, have a, some of these I don't remember, I'm being real, but for the most part, everything in here you can question mark it and it'll give you the answer. You would never, you're not able to change this. As you can see, like I can't change that. It just gives you the information about it. So estimated in BTC, as you can see, this number is fluctuating as we speak. Crypto buying power is my 2,000. So I'm buying crypto $2,000. So I'm gonna click buy. It gives you another confirmation, and then you can skip this, but I always just, you know, double check and then I hit confirm. And that is what I did. So I bought at the top, you ordered $2,000 worth of Bitcoin. So now when I go back to my main screen, my middle, as you can see, I have a negative 0 balance, which is just 0. And then you can see the market value now shows all of the money, which is 2,661.45, 30 or 37 for the AC. It's going up and down. So now I just let it rock. What I plan on doing potentially is maybe doing $75 every week, or you know, $300 a month. But you can invest more as you like. I might just put $75 in here and say buy, I don't know, Bank of America, or I might buy CVS. Like whatever's low, buy more of if you're looking at the market of that stock. Whatever is high, try to see if it's going to get higher and maybe wait, or you can come back and buy it. So more or less, that's really the gist of this app. That's really the gist of this app. I mean, there's some things, again, that is still a little new to me, but I kind of typically stay on the watch list and the market. These two first tabs, obviously the middle one, and you know, getting more information, like I said, comes from this community app, which you can always just read more. There's a bunch of information on the apps itself. So let's go back to Bitcoin. Let's see, Bitcoin. Oh, let me go back to mine. So as you can see now, it has me at, I basically invested $1,984. It keeps going down, which shows you this. Okay, so maybe I can go over this too. I apologize. So the symbol is on the left side, which is the symbol of the company and stock market and the name of the company. The second column is the quantity / market value. So the quantity that you have and the market value of what it is right now. The next one, the third column, is the last price that it was and the average price. And then the fourth column is the open profit and loss. So from the whole duration of when you started the investment to now is what it is of your profit or your loss. So for instance, look at Fuel Cell. I bought 11 stocks and then I paid $1.95 for them. So at the time, that was cheap, right? It was cheap. So they don't let you do the math in here, but if I take my calendar and I do 11 times $1.95, that's $21.45 that I spent on 11 stocks. I made $177.06 because now I have $198.55. Now the stock is worth $18.05. So that difference is basically the accumulation of all of those stocks times 11. So $195 is what I paid. Right now it's at $18.05. I profited $177.06 for Fuel Cell. Same thing. I purchased Uber at $26.91, and then right now it's at $54.40. I bought 3 stocks at $26.91. I've made $82.46 because my balance with the stock is $163.20. So I hope that's clear. Again, let's say Simon Property Group, I paid, when I bought it, $54.32, and I bought 1 stock. Now it's at $95.40, so I made $41.08. So it could be a little tricky, but just look at what's gray is what you paid for it at the time of your payment. And then what's bold and black is what it is right now. So if you were to buy, you know, let's say one full stock of Bitcoin, it would cost you $31,854. You know, it keeps going up and down. Right, when I bought it, I actually bought it a little higher. So I bought it at 32,000. So I'm losing right now. But don't panic. Hold your money. Investing in stocks is investing in wealth, longevity. So just check it out. You know, I didn't really actually watch videos on WeBull before I bought it, but I did, you know, kind of watch. Again, I watch Stephan sometimes. He's pretty good with the information. I do like Ryan Scribner, who talks about investing in stocks, so check his channel out as well. But you know, you have to give it a shot. You kind of have to like just see what makes sense for you, and start small. I would say start small, and then as you can, put more in. Investing is legal gambling, as I say. So if you can afford to lose the money, kind of think of it that way. But also think about, you know, $200 a month or $50 a month. It's not gonna, like, you know, be detrimental if it was something that was like $10,000 and you don't really have that money right now. So just put in what you can afford to lose. But if you're not ready, then you're not ready. Take your time with it. If you don't feel like, oh, I'm not ready, I want to learn the app more, that's totally fine. But do your due diligence and know that, you know, investing is a personal decision. I'm not a tax advisor or a person that is knowledgeable on every stock or all stock markets. I'm just telling you from my experience and what's kind of been working for me. Like I said, last year, I invested, what, $278, okay? Let me see. If I go to all, it should let me click on it, I think, because my nails. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm sorry. But when I started, I invested $278. And that was last year in February. I forgot about this. I didn't forget about the app, but I didn't invest any more money in the app. And then as of like when I first, did this challenge, and even now, it was $600 and something. So that's a $400 profit in like a year. Not even doing nothing. Then me putting $2,000 in 2 weeks ago, now I have $2,000 and 600 and some change all together. But really what I invested is $2,200 or $2,270. So when you think of it like that, you kind of look at your money like, yeah, you made some money. Now for this 2,000, if you know the crypto, I'm sure it will go up. We'll see what happens in 3 to 6 months, you know. But it's all just a way to see what your money is going to do for you against the market. So that's all I got for today. I appreciate you joining in. I appreciate you watching this video. If you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comments below. And let's get to investing. Again, my name is Amber Ashli. I appreciate you watching. And I want you to stay safe, stay healthy, stay blessed, and drink your water. All right.